Bonjour, hello and welcome to Krishang French Learning. Today we learn most common French verbs. So friends, let's start. Être, to be. The verb être, to be, is an irregular verb in the present tense. Je suis un garçon. I am a boy. Next, manger, verb means to eat. Je mange une pomme. Je mange une pomme. I'm eating an apple. Next, boire, to drink. Boire verb means to drink. Je bois de l'eau. Je bois de l'eau. I am drinking water. Next, dormir, to sleep. Dormir verb means to sleep. Je dors à 20 heures. Je dors à 20 heures. I sleep at 8 p.m. Next, laver, to wash. Laver verbs means to wash. Je lave mes vêtements. Je lave mes vêtements. I am washing my clothes. Next, partir, to leave. Partir verbs means to leave. Je pars aujourd'hui. Je pars aujourd'hui. I am leaving today. Next, rester, to stay. Rester verb means to stay. Je reste à la maison. Je reste à la maison. I am staying home. Next, jouer, to play. Jouer means to play a game or sport or to play with something. Il joue au football. He is playing football. So that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.